Hi, today I'm for the SAMSUNG Galaxy F14 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the always on display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool enter Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just we should click to open the application and tap here to draw our app section. Wait a second, now we should find the Muviz Edge application, click here once on the swatcher and go back. Then swatch edge lights to the AOD, select one from these tabs, tap to apply on the right down corner, and now let's just check. And we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.